Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Davy Jr. So I'm in the kitchen. Actually, I'm shooting this video from outside because of the lighting, guys. You can tell the water right here. It is boiling, you understand? So it's ready for cooking. So on today's video, I wanna prepare ugali, guys, which is the staple food here in Kenya. It is made out of corn. So this is the cooking flour, and this is how we do it. You can tell the water is ready from here, and boom, wow. And also I have the eggs here, guys. Let me show you right there. So those are eggs. This is the kitchen towel, and also I have the cooking sticks. We call them mwiko. And also right here, these are the tomatoes, or nyanya in Swahili. And also I got one onion right here, guys. And also this is the cooking oil. Yeah, so right here, this is how we do it. Yeah. Whoa. You have to stir it so that it can mix, you know. Wow. This is how we prepare ugali, guys, you know. It is popular in Kenya, so if you are visiting Kenya, kindly try this kind of food. Wow. So let me reduce the fire like that. So you can focus here. So wow. So these are tomatoes. This is how I do it. Wow. Let's check our ugali right there. Wow. I think our ugali is ready. You can tell this is how it is. Let me reduce the fire. I feel like it's okay. It's just okay. Yeah, it's recording. It's okay. So, cutting the tomatoes into smaller pieces so that they can cook at a faster rate. Wow. This is one of my hobbies, guys. I enjoy cooking, like it is in my blood. So, and also we got the onions right here. So I think our ugali is ready for. Right here, our ugali is ready, guys. Like this. Oh. Yeah, so you can tell our girl is ready. I'm here for eating. So you have to cover it like that so that it may not cool. Wow. So what next? I just forgot the sufuria, guys, inside my house. Maybe I think I wanna go for it. Or you should go for it, right? That's my camera lady right there. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so these are tomatoes. I just chopped into smaller pieces so that they can cook or at a faster rate. Yeah, guys, this is how everything looks like here, you know. Yeah. Wow, the sufuria is right there. Hey, what's up? Yeah, she is my friend, guys. So let me add some. This is cooking oil. Wow, I think that's enough. Also, so you have to add some onions like that. So you have to wait for the onions to turn golden yellow, guys. Wow. And also, so right here, these are the eggs. Right here, right here. These are eggs. Woo! 1, 2, 3. So I wanna cook 3 eggs because we are 2, me and my friend. Whoa. And also you have to stir them. I don't know the reason why people always stir the eggs. So if you know the reason, let us get in the comment section below, like, why do people stir eggs? Yeah. Wow. So after that, let's check. Yeah, I think our onions are ready. And time to pour the eggs like this. Wow. It's as easy as that, you know. It's not that complicated. Yeah. Right here we have the onions, no, the tomatoes, sorry. Guys, do you love what you are seeing right here? This is how we do it, guys. It's as simple as that, you know. Davy Junior. And then you have to add some salt, you know, a little bit of it, because too much salt is not good for your health. Ooh, this is too much. So yeah, I think that's enough, like that.